I'm now with Matthew Dickman from Azelis. So Matthew, perhaps you could start by telling us, what does Azelis do?
So Azelis are a specialty chemical distributor. We are global and we have a footprint across Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific and North America. We focus both on life sciences and on the chemical industries, and within the life science business, of course, we have a large pharmaceutical business.
Okay, so tell me about the pharmaceutical business.
So the pharmaceutical business, we have offices in 30 countries across Europe. We have a team of 100 people, of which 60% are customer facing. So we have 60%, 60 people effectively out on the road visiting customers all the time. We have 2 applications laboratories and we have repacking facilities as well within that as well. And what I would like to do today, of course, is to introduce to you our R&D technical capabilities and also our repacking facilities.
Okay, so I'm going to be sent off now to go and meet Richard, isn't that right?
Indeed.
Well, thank you very much for the moment, Matthew. And if you follow me over here, here is Richard. Hello, Richard.
Hi.
So tell me, what exactly do you do then?
I look after all of the sort of technical, non-directly commercial aspects of the business, so quality, regulatory, applications and lab support work that we do for customers and principals.
And so what does that involve on a daily basis for you?
From anything from questionnaires, general sort of technical questions, but also product support, technical support, application support. So we look at sort of customers' formulations, how they go together, anything we can do to help, novel materials, inclusion, that kind of stuff.
And so I imagine no 2 days are ever the same.
Very, very rarely. If they are, it's something's gone wrong somewhere along the line.
Right, and what would be a typical day for you?
We normally get it's a mix of questionnaires, and then we do quite a bit of practical work as well. We have our own labs, so we do this lab support. So it's a bit of mix and match of that kind of sort of.
So I imagine being here at CPhI, for you, is it mostly about meeting current customers or engaging with new customers, or a mixture of both?
It's a mixture of both, but it's also engaging with the principals as well. We do quite a lot of work doing sort of blue sky innovation work with some of our principals. So we look at how our portfolio mixes together and creates synergies across the board. So it's about a mixture of customers and principals for me, rather than just one or the other.
So we're now on day 2, almost at the end of day 2. So how has it gone for you?
It's been busy.
Well, your stand is very busy. What are you? Well, yeah. What are you doing? Why is everyone attracted to your stand?
I think it's a diversity of product base and the technical aspect of the selling that we do. Because we do the lab work, we understand the products, we understand the depth, we understand how things go together, and it helps customers and helps principals alike see what we can do and what they can do to further their industry, and also it helps cut their R&D time down a bit as well sometimes.
And is there a key learning for you from this CPhI?
Don't book meetings quite so close together in different size halls.
Yes, yeah, I have to say I've got very sore feet. It's a very long way between the halls. Thank you very much indeed. And finally, let's say hello to you, sir. So tell me, who are you and what do you do?
So my name is Michel Vandermeiren and I'm the Managing Director for the DACH region, so that's Germany, Switzerland and Austria. Historically, Azelis has always built a very strong business into APIs out of this geography. And recently we have expanded our service facility to customers and suppliers by building 2 new clean rooms, GMP manufacturing license, to be able to bring that extra service to our customers, which is really repacking, relabeling, sampling, and bringing the APIs or the excipients to the right package for the customer use. That's quite a big step ahead in terms of services, because usually a distributor is excellent in providing products and knowledge, and we really wanted to have that extra service of being able to provide the right product in the right package at the right moment to our customers.
So do you see that as part of the business expansion program?
This is the business expansion program. In the past we were doing that exclusively from the suppliers, because we are of course addressing the tail end of customers as well as middle-sized customers. And today what we see is that the customer is asking us as well, can we access that facility? Because you can transform our needs closer to what we could do and what we can find in the market. So there was a gap. Right. So that is the gap that we are addressing now, and we bring that answer. It's located into St. Augustine, nearby Köln. It's our logistics service center. And that is the place we have rebuilt this entire life science area, which is pharmaceuticals, of course. That is the subject of today, but also expanded to personal care and food.
And how has that news gone down with your customers?
Well, of course, we already had today a lot of discussions about can we repack this and can you just adjust this for us? So it has a tremendous answer. Tomorrow, still tomorrow, I've got a lot of meetings just to see how we can adapt the clean rooms, which are, for a certain extent, still a virgin clean room. So the first come, first serve, if there is a nice project that we can just embark on, a long-term relationship that it can just ensure loyalty of our customers, and we can bring that to the suppliers and the principals because we bring them close to the customer, and that is our job.
And tell me, how important then for your business is CPhI and being here?
Well, CPhI is the moment of the year where we are meeting all our suppliers and our customers. And usually suppliers which have handed over that size of the market to ourselves would like to have a feel of where our customers are going as well. So that's a unique place where we can bring those two together. And usually when we come out of here, we have a pile of opportunities that will of course go into next year. It's a really important moment.
I mean, obviously with technological advance, you can always reach out to new customers through, new technology and stuff. But I guess nothing beats meeting people face to face.
It's a people business. And that is where the relationship that we are creating, the intimacy with customers, is highly valued to our principals and suppliers. That's exactly what we want to be as Azelis.
So we're at end of day 2, but at the end of day 3, what will success look like for you? What will make you happy when you go home?
First of all, a load of opportunities which are just waiting for us there that we'll have to address tomorrow. But we have some concrete already demands of companies looking into us in terms of being the extension of what they do in their own country and entering the German market. But also, we can service the entire Europe platform, and we are engaging with our sister companies when they got a need in France, in Spain, in Italy. That is the center of excellence of Azelis. That is starting into St. Augustine, or clean room area, or liquid filling facilities. That is how we want to see. So there's a lot of adventure in front of us.
Well, you're going to be a very busy man. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.